Welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making a strawberry delight. Woo! Yes! So, in this strawberry delight, we're going to go into the ingredients, mix and taste. We're going to use orange juice, and my family left me just enough to make this drink. Torani sugar-free strawberry syrup. We're going to use ginger beer and some good old-fashioned lemon juice. So the first thing is we're going to use 2 ounces of the orange juice. I'll just turn my glass over so I can see the measurements. So we're going to pour in 2 ounces here. Alright, 2 ounces of the strawberry syrup. So we got 1 and 2. An ounce of the ginger beer and half an ounce of the lemon juice. Alright, so before we mix, we're going to go right into it. The Before 5 shout outs. Alright, so after we mix everything, we're just going to go ahead and pour over ice and taste. Oh, that is perfect. Look how beautiful that came out. And this is definitely a delight to have. Because it does have the orange juice base to it, I'm going to go ahead and say you can drink this with your breakfast because it has like a first when you wake up type of vibe drink. The orange, you can definitely taste the orange juice. You can taste the hint of the strawberry and the hint of the ginger beer. The lemon juice, you really can't taste it, but you know it mends it all together, you know? So, if you like Before 5, and I know you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Have a wonderful day.